shouldn't though. Heaven only knows that the side effects of my loneliness is you, yeah, oh yeah. All that I want, no good at giving you up. Come on and give me some love tonight, yeah, oh yeah. All that I want, no good at giving you up. Come on and give me some love tonight. This happens every time I try to mix.
You have a spirit. You have an opinion. You have a voice. We live, we observe, and we vote. When we don't like something, we complain. When we are injured, we cry out. And we do, for the most part, expect to be heard.
But we're also excited to have a new Stuco, and we have some really good candidates this year.
Bonjour la Grande Boissière, donc nous sommes Atom Stuco.
Now, I'd like to introduce us. We are a group of strong, motivated, dedicated and serious students who would love to be working with you throughout the year.
My name is Martin. I'm part of Volsen Stuco.
We will be presenting Animus Stuco.
We will be an approachable group of students that anybody can feel comfortable talking to in order to express your concerns, your comments and your suggestions, staff included.
We believe that individuality amongst all students is very important, and the diversity of this school is the most important thing in this school. This is why we like to create a club called World Cultural Awareness.
So yeah, peace, love, and if you want mozzarella in the calf, vote Animus!
N'oubliez pas de voter Volsen Stuco.
And one final thing we'd like to say, which is students of the world, unite!
Each voice, even if it seems like the softest of whispers, joins with others to create the low tremors of choice. And finally, the great roaring wave of change. We are the difference. So let's raise our voices, let's use our gifts, and let's vote in the 2018 Student Council elections.
Draw the line, I'm by the line, yeah.